Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to study for a physics exam in one day step by step. Start by listing must-know formulas and core concepts, then sort topics by likely exam weight. Use a simple schedule with focused 45-minute blocks and 10-minute breaks, and place practice problems at the end of each block. Keep notes concise and prioritize high-yield problems to build confidence quickly and efficiently for the exam. Work actively by solving real exam problems and explaining each step out loud as if teaching someone else. Time yourself on key problems to build speed and reveal weak areas to revisit. Create tiny concept maps that link equations to physical assumptions and typical mistakes, and keep these maps beside practice sheets. Alternate problem types to avoid tunnel vision, and focus on techniques that repeat across many. Be ruthless with time. Spend more minutes on heavyweight topics and weaknesses, and less on polished areas you already know. Use focused Pomodoro-style blocks and reserve a final full practice run to test pacing and stamina. Replace passive reading with immediate problem-solving and concise summary cards to cement recall. Keep snacks and water handy, and sleep if possible before the exam to let your brain consolidate what you learned during the intense day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.